Welcome to Sporecyte, your trusted partner in mold and indoor air quality analysis. From sample collection to report delivery, we're committed to providing home inspectors with accurate, comprehensive results using cutting-edge AI technology and our industry expertise. Once you arrive at your client's home, you'll want to select at least 3 locations for air sampling, 1 outside and 2 inside. The outside location will be your baseline read. You'll want to select an area representative of the ambient air, avoiding places that might artificially load your sample, such as flower beds or gardens. Focus your indoor sample locations on areas where you or your client suspect that mold might be present. Collect the air samples using Sporecyte's professional air sampling pump and cassettes, or with any properly calibrated air sampling pump and approved cassettes. If needed, you can also collect surface samples using tape slides or swabs. Once you've collected your samples, you will fill out the chain of custody form on the Sporecyte web app using your phone, tablet, or computer. This is where you will enter the relevant information about the project and samples. Now, prepare the samples for shipping. You may use your own shipping provider and materials, or purchase shipping supplies from Sporecyte. Place all the samples and your order number from the app in a shipping envelope and ship them to our laboratory. As soon as we receive your samples at the lab, our lab technicians enter the data into our system and send you a confirmation email. Your samples are then prepared for scanning. This process includes preparing the samples using a specialized stain and cover slip. After the slides are prepped, they are loaded into a digital scanner, which produces high-resolution images of each sample. The images are uploaded to the Sporecyte platform for analysis. Our AI model processes the scans, locating, classifying, and counting objects of interest on the sample. This ensures that 100% of every sample is analyzed. Our analysts then review the generated report, ensuring accuracy and completeness before sending it to you. The Sporecyte Mold and Indoor Air Quality Report is PDF-based and designed by an industry-certified mycologist. Each report includes visual result summaries, actual images of the objects found in the sample, complete lab data highlighting concerns, and actionable recommendations for the homeowner. Experience the difference with Sporecyte, home of the world's only AI-powered mold report.